This is one of my Red Hat RHEL 8.5 virtual machine. This is a test machine, and you can see while I'm trying to crawl google.com, internet is not working. Previously there was internet was working fine, but now I can see internet is not working. So in this video we are going to resolve this issue. So friends, welcome to my channel. Before starting this video, let me tell you I am going to start a new RHCSA batch. It's a full course and course fee is only 999. It's a very low price, and please register yourself using the link given here. Also you can scan here to register yourself. So let me start the video. So as I told you previously, internet was working here, but now I can see internet is not working. And please uh, keep in mind that I have not configured the proxy for the internet. So let me check you how to check the proxy configuration. To check the temporary proxy, I have to execute the command echo dollar http underscore proxy. You can see proxy is not configured. I will check for the HTTPS also. You can see temporary proxy is not configured. Now I will check for the permanent proxy configuration using the cat etc environment file. Here also you can see there is no proxy configuration. That means proxy is not there, and it should work for the google.com, it should work for the internet, but internet is not working. Now I will check for the IP address details, if IP is there or not. Obviously IP is there because I am using the putty session to connect to the virtual machine. Let me show you here. You can see this is my IP address and everything is fine here. I can see. Let me show you in NMTY. Edit. Here you can see IP address also configure for automatic, and you can see this option also selected. It seems that everything is okay here. No need to change. Command from the NMTY prompt. And so why this happening? So what we'll do? We will check the NS lookup. NS lookup google.com. Here you can see it is taking time, means NS lookup is not working. That means it is not resolving from the domain name to IP address or name to IP. It is not resolving. That means this error indicates that there is error with the DNS IP. DNS IP is not configured properly in my server. That's why here it is not working the NS lookup. It is not resolving the IP address to the google.com. It is not showing. So I will check the DNS configuration. So what is the configuration file? Configuration file is cat etc resolve.conf. This is the main configuration file or global configuration file for the DNS configuration. And here you can see, yes, name server is commented. That means DNS IP is commented. So let me comment out. Let me remove the comment vi/etc resolve.conf. Remove the comment here. Now save the configuration file. Now again try to NS lookup. Yes, you can see now it started showing IP address of the google.com using the NS lookup command. That means now it is properly resolving the IP address to name to IP address. Okay. So now check the crawl command, crawl -v google.com. Yes, started working. So this is the way we can use to fix the DNS error, or you can resolve the internet issue while internet not working in a production server. First, what we'll do, we will check the IP address configuration. If IP address is configured properly or not, DNS is configured or not. We have to check the proxy IP, if proxy is configured or not. If proxy is there and through proxy internet is provided to a server, you have to correct that. Proxy we can configure two type, either temporary proxy or permanent proxy. I show you using the command how to check the temporary proxy and where you can check the permanent proxy configuration in environment file that is located in etc. Okay, if we are not using the proxy, we have to check the NS lookup command if it is resolving or not. If that is not resolving, it indicates that there is a error, there is a configuration error for the DNS IP. So we will check in the resolve.conf file. Okay, That is the main configuration file or global configuration file, the DNS IP. Please remember, before to RHEL 7, there was the requirement of the resolve.conf was there, but after RHEL 7, there is no need separate configuration for the resolve.conf. Once we configure in NMTY or once we configure the IP address, if we configure the DNS, it will automatically add the DNS IP in resolve.conf. There will no separate configuration required for the resolve.conf. Okay, resolve.conf is the global configuration file for the DNS IP. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you want, you can register yourself for the full course RHCSA. The course fee is very nominal, it is only 999. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you.